concealer under the playback of my mind a million times. See the same things, review the same lines. It's cold, I just need to move around some words. Perspective will change and regain the ground I lost at first. Worst is yet to come, hear it in my head. Lately in the morning I don't really wanna get out of bed. Instead I'd rather let it all fade away. Let my friends all leave, better if they don't stay, okay. I guess you had a point when you said that I was probably wrong about feeling like I'm better off dead. Sorta starting to wish I'd slip off to sleep instead of walking around pretending like I still feel anything. It's getting really old wearing the same mask. I remember my sense of humor, so I still force myself to laugh. My last thoughts before I finally started other bad dreams. I'm starting to doubt I even really trust me. Is that you? Was that me? Lately it feels like it's a struggle for me to even bother to speak. It's been a long week, it's been a long week. It's been a long week, it's been a long. Is that you? Was that me? Lately it feels like it's a struggle for me to even bother to speak. It's been a long week, it's been a long week. It's been a long week, it's been a long